Hello guys, what is up? And today I'm going to be showing you how to put your own animated emotes in your Discord server. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to just go online and search up some animated emote or something or whatever you want to use, and you have to make sure it's .gif. It can't be a video, it can't be a picture, it has to be .gif or GIF or however you say it. So once you do that, you're going to right click on it and say save image as, and once you guys have done that, I will see you guys in Discord. Okay guys, so once you have done that and you are on Discord, you're going to go into your server and you're going to click this arrow and you're going to click on server settings, go to emoji, and then upload emoji, the same thing as last time. And as you can see, I will show you guys what it looks like after you upload it. So guys, after you have this uploaded, then as you can see right here, unless it's too big of a file, then it should go right here. And if it's too big of a file, you just have to use another one. It's just Discord can't handle that. So as an animated emoji, it can't handle that. So as you can see, I have uploaded mine. And now if we go over into the server, then as you can see, it is right here. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to smile.